Animated explainer videos have bolstered such a huge presence on social media platforms, blogs, and websites. They help us distribute content in a super simple and inexpensive way, while still looking highly professional and easy to comprehend. So, we've put together a list of our Envato Elements top 10 animated explainer video templates for After Effects for 2020 to help you craft engaging content in the simplest way. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Trendy Minimalist Web Promo by Illuzi. Sliding into our number 10 spot is this simple yet stylish explainer video template that is 100% suited for use in After Effects. It doesn't rely on any plugins and is super easy to customize. It's perfect for marketplace creators and makes dropping in screenshots and descriptions a walk in the park. In this case, less is definitely more. Number 9. Food and Hands Explainer by MotionVids. It's modular, it's organized, and it's ideal for marketers and content creators working within the food and restaurant industry. Using a bird's eye view, this explainer video template perfectly showcases the subject matter of your presentation. 16 ready-made scenes, 10 title animations, 10 text presets, and much more make this the perfect food-related resource. Number 8. Pixieland Character Animation by Pixflow. With Pixieland, you become your own animator. With a vast array of elements at your disposal, you can easily create animated explainer videos that look like they've been put together by an industry veteran. Pixieland are an all-time best-selling project on VideoHive, so you know their products are the cream of the crop. Number 7. SEO Explainer Modular Promo Kit by Aquavitae. The number 7 template on our list of Envato Elements top 10 animated explainer video templates for After Effects for 2020 has a drag and drop functionality that makes using it easy as pie. Web concepts and SEO projects can be showcased to perfection and with ease. Number 6. Flat and Modern App Explainer by Marco Belli. A lot of hard work goes into creating a new app. With this After Effects explainer video template, clarifying your concept doesn't have to be difficult at all. Contemporary, flat placeholders are built in. You simply drop in your own footage and screenshots to help get your viewers loving your app as much as you do. Before we continue with our list of Envato Elements top 10 animated explainer video templates for After Effects for 2020, we would love for you to take the time to like and subscribe to our channel. If you're finding this video informative so far, we've got plenty more just like it. Number 5. Outline Character Template Toolkit by MotionVids. The characters in this explainer video template are so lovable. Your audience will be smitten by them and whatever message they're portraying for you. This is a modern, personable take on animation that is also super easy to use. Just pop on your little characters in professionally designed backgrounds to create a story with a purpose. Number 4. Clean Explainer Kit by MotionVids. This template kit is suited to any business, big or small. Featuring 16 dynamic texts, 12 kinetic texts, and over 50 graphical elements, it sure is versatile and easy to use. MotionVids has designed this template to allow users to overlay multiple elements and scenes in order to create a completely customized experience. Number 3. Lopo Isometric Explainer Kit by Pixflow. Use this explainer video template to create a super cool 3D Sims-esque explainer video for your viewers. Building on pre-constructed scenes, You can add in details specific to your project to easily bring your concept to life. Number 2. Hand Explainer Kit by Media Stock. Impress your clients and coworkers with a visually stunning explainer video using this template kit. A how-to video tutorial is included so that even beginners can easily use it. A built-in content browser also allows for easy navigation. Number 1. Explainer Typography Kit by Aquavitae. This eye-catching explainer video template proves that words are sometimes better than images when trying to communicate a certain concept or idea. Sure, bright colors and flashes of shapes do aid in making this template visually appealing. However, the modern typography really is the star of the show. Whether you create explainer videos to communicate to your fans, friends, coworkers, or clients, it's important to use the right tools for the job. If any one of the Envato Elements top 10 animated explainer video templates for After Effects on this list has caught your eye, let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep seeing content from Envato, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep on creating amazing content.